Nowadays, a concept is highly debated that the Chief Justice tenure should be fixed. Both people are giving favor of limiting the time to the 3 years, and there are arguments which say that the time limit should not be fixed. So first we will look at the arguments which are saying what are the advantages of fixing the time period. Firstly, they said that there will be an accountability process. Every judge will be held accountable for doing it cases, and he will fix the case, and he listen to the cases properly. Every after every appointment, fresh perspective, new energies will come in the Supreme Court, which will help to do better justice. And more, last but not the least, judiciary will grow. Every new judge who will come will try to give development to this democratic process, which could be very healthy. So now we will look on the arguments which are not in favor of limiting time. Few people are saying that it will give freedom to the judges to decide their cases without any pressure. After 3 years, there will be a pressure of new appointments, which will disturb the judges, and they will be more interested in doing their jobs if they are not reappointment element. Polarization is another aspect. Some arguments are given that there is a high polarization in the society, and the political pressures are present on the judiciary. If there is a limited tenure, the judges cannot take the pressure, and they will not be interested in solving the issues. But if there is a long time tenure, judges will have the time to take all over the pressure on themselves. Continuity of justice. For the continuity of justice and giving justice to all people and solve all the pending cases, there should be a freedom of judges to give proper time. So there are the arguments which given in the favor, and there are arguments which are against it. But it is important to consider that a very rational decision is required, because any decision which is taken will affect the efficiency of the judiciary, and there are almost a political turmoil in the country, and the people are also not getting justices in proper time. So any decision which is made to limit the Chief Justice or not should be considered by looking at each and every point carefully.